What about Fetu Unjan? Those about on your screen here, we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu naniyazi angihambi ngedwa ngihamba no.
Shaka phethu kunjani Cameron ngithini mfokaswela Mswati lomnanzi Football Fusion isibuyile with another one.
Yeah. On today's episode, we just want to appreciate South African football. That's all I can say. Maybe we can start off with the development. We'll mention all the important figures like your DDCs. I don't want to mention them one by one, maybe in a conversation. Let's start with a performance that the young ones, your under 20s and under 17, had. The recently he was knocked. We last 32, was it last 32? Yes, last 32 under 17 World Cup.
By
Yes,
Japan.
yes, by Japan.
Oh yeah. No, I think our South African football is growing,
Yeah.
and I even feel like not even paying too much attention.
Mm-hmm.
But honestly, it's growing because if you talk about your under 20, and they won AFCON.
Exactly.
You see,
Yes,
they won
let's-
AFCON.
Exactly.
But we don't giving it too much attention. But they won AFCON. And then you look at our under 17, they managed to qualify from group stages, and then they just got knocked out. Yes, but the progress it shows that the summer we're going, but nobody's
True.
actually paying attention to it.
True.
You know,
Because that's our future Bafana Bafana.
exactly,
Yeah,
exactly.
we
You
have
know,
to mention that.
yes. So if we have under 20s that are winning AFCON, which means the kings of Africa.
True.
So
At
our
their
football
age.
level, it's there, but nobody's paying attention that much.
True.
Yeah.
Just to mention things that are helping. I would say, Mina, it's the DDC. Yeah, because before we were relying much on Umvela to actually have those players, Bakromega there. But now we have a proper structure in the form of a TDC.
And I think TDC have an age limit type of thing.
Exactly.
Right? So a team is supposed to have a certain number of abadlala ba
Yes.
So it's easy. It makes it easy for having these under 20s because most of these under 20s they play this, and some they actually play good PSL.
Exactly.
You know?
At that young age,
Yes.
you find they even training with the senior teams and.
Ovilagazi was part of under 20. Right?
Yes.
And then they won AFCON, and he's playing for Kaizer Chiefs. So yeah.
True.
TTC is doing a lot.
Yeah. It actually is helping a lot.
Yeah.
We think. I think at this stage, I would say that we see a potential of. I think it's just small fruits that we are able to see now of having a proper development structure, right? But there's still more to come. That's my own view.
Yeah,
I don't know what.
No, because there's a player I forgot his name, but he's playing for Siwelele.
Yes,
he's playing with Siwelele as Dlala with PSL, and then he was part of course, because I'm mentioning only Villa guys because it's Kaizer Chiefs player. But we have players like that. Abadlala was well, and he's playing, he's performing good.
True.
So you can tell what it's not about even Kaizer Chiefs or Orlando Pirates. So you can see our football is growing, and we have players of us representing who can't. So for me, I'm just happy.
Yeah,
we're doing good. We're doing good.
Another thing, it shows if you actually give these young boys a chance, give them minutes to play in an official match, it actually changes impilo yakhe lowo muntu. You would mention bona bo Vilakazi bomntu borele. They are where they are because they were given my chances to play.
And these young boys, given a chance, for me, I feel like all of them, like the one you mentioned, like your Rele, your Mtu, your Vilakazi, given a chance, they perform, you know. For me, I feel like they raise their hand, they showing you what they want to play. All they want to do is to play football. So it's just amazing to watch.
Yeah, it's amazing. Another thing I think that is helping, I know our legends, they do want to like come and be
Okay, I see.
advisors in a way.
I see where it's
Uh,
going.
but it actually helps now. If you would compare the players abadlala around 206 somewhere there. Okay, I'm revealing my age. But what I'm trying to say is the fact that players are more educated
Yes,
with their financial,
they are well informed.
yes, financially, and also to take the career serious, because
Yeah,
it's not a very long career. Soccer is just a short career, and you can make a lot of money that will change your whole life afterwards. It's like having a funding some sort, and after that you disappear, you do your
yeah,
own things. So
I
that
believe.
also helps
Yeah,
to actually um, contribute to take this thing serious. Uh, I'm not sure if I make sense to
no,
you.
no, no. You do, you do, you
Yes,
do, you
yes.
do. Yeah.
So things like that are important. So into bengisho ukuthi the legends, I think their advices are landing into the ears are right now.
Kubantu who are willing to learn
Yes,
and understand,
exactly,
you know.
exactly.
Because if you know what team, for example, if our legends in Campe, I don't want to mention names to make
Mm,
them sound bad, but if our players are a legend, it isn't a wrong, and then they are telling the young boys, no
mm,
boy, don't
true.
do this, because look at all our youngsters.
Mm,
We don't get to see them scandals about what they are doing outside
exactly,
football. It's
exactly.
because they are listening and they're like, we can't repeat what
Yes.
has been done by
Mm.
Umuyo, you know. So it's just amazing.
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
amazing, man. Even the teams, I would praise the teams as well, because I do feel like they contribute a lot in molding a player to what they are, right? Um, Maybe I don't know what are the structures in these teams, but if there is anything that has to do with just the personal aspect of a player, because that's where we lack a lot of things. Then you will find out that you had a Zongo, for example, who was so amazing,
You
but he ended up just, I don't want to continue with that, but I was just making an example, you know. Yeah. But with all that said,
I wanna
moving
say
forward.
something, but yeah.
Okay, yeah, you can come in, man. You can come
No,
in.
no, no. I just want to add to the point.
Yes.
Uguti, I don't want to sound like I'm bashing players or whatever, you know.
Yeah.
But you're hearing something that is very critical to see. A
Mm.
shout out to these teams. It shows how they can mold players. A
Yes,
practical
true.
example. Let's look. Sometimes you don't know whether it's a team or it's a player, you know. Let's look at Umbul.
Yeah.
Umbul, it's a living proof. Uguti,
Mm.
ngathi behavior yakho is that and that and that. He's back to Bafana Bafana. You
And he's
know, he's
performing.
performing.
Shows
He's
that he's happy with
yes,
what
he's
he's
happy.
doing.
So when you say it's shout out to play to
Mm.
teams for molding players, we can
Exactly.
say with Umbule, it's living proof that if you are happy, you will perform. If you are treated
Exactly.
well, you will do well. So those type of things. So shout out to teams who are treating these players good.
True, true, true. Okay, since you have just progressed to the next level, because I wanted us to start it from the
Yeah,
roots upwards.
yeah,
Yeah, I think we've covered it well.
yeah.
Now it's Bafana. Bafana has qualified for AFCON. They've qualified
For
for
World
the
Cup.
World Cup. No assist, no calculators involved, because that's been our story in recent
Yeah,
years.
yeah.
But now we get to experience this thing happening. Another thing that to mention is the togetherness of this group, and it's something to actually take for those youngsters, because the youngsters that we have been mentioning, they looking up to the players who are this, you know.
Yeah.
So Bafana Bafana, the way we are moving, what can you say about that?
I think for me, we all can see ukuthi bayazwana laba bantu. You know,
Yes,
they are a team, not just players that are selected from different teams, but they
exactly.
are a team when they are together. You know,
True.
and I think we are seeing Bafana Bafana that it's willing to play for the country. You can see
Yeah,
with these
yeah,
people, it's
yeah.
not about ukuthi mhlambe mina because I'm playing for this certain team. And then when I get to Bafana Bafana, I think I'm better
True,
than other
true.
players that are there.
The mentality has
The mentality has changed.
altogether.
So every player that has been called to play for
Mm.
Bafana Bafana, it's like a player that's willing to, I want to play for this team. Because we have players like Ufos, but in your body, like my videos with the team, it's like he's
True.
you can't tell who he's playing in England. He doesn't say, I mean, these guys are playing there. No. And none of these players you can say, was Sundown, Pirates. If
True.
they are together, they are a team, and you can see there's brotherly love type of thing.
Exactly.
You know, so it's
Exactly.
more like I catch you, you catch me. So it's very happy to, it's very amazing to see and watch. So
Yeah.
Bafana that we have,
Yeah.
it's so amazing.
Another thing that I wanted to add, I think it's important. You will see when we watch these big games.
Yeah.
You know, your Pirates, Sundowns, Chiefs games. After the game, you can see Wuti. It's a competitive match. They have to compete. The same players that play for Bafana. But after the game, you can see how it's actually friends. You know, and that helps a lot because they move together to Bafana. It's not like a team, a certain team is they are a team all together. They represent the country. And another point that you have raised to say that they are willing to fight for the country now.
Yeah.
And that's what we lacked before.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's like before players were like we're in it for the money, if we can put it like that.
Yeah.
Yes, more than the results, you know.
Exactly.
So right now they are in it for the results. They want
True.
to see South Africa win. They want to do it for the country. Yes, money is always there, but now it's not like they are pushing for money, you know.
Yeah.
So I think you're correct. You're correct.
Yes. Another thing, I'm not sure if I'm overemphasizing it. It's the fact that now I know South Africa. If you are from South Africa, you will understand that we have a lot of talent.
Yeah.
Not only in football, like South Africa is talented
been winning.
on entertainment side. We are talented, even on art. There are a lot of things that we are talented on. My point is, you find out that maybe a player is playing before. It used to happen like that. The player is just playing in that streets of Soweto, and then he gets scouted.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, he plays for Bafana. Like Lerato Chabangos of this world. He doesn't know anything about managing or taking football as a career. He just knows that this is what I love, and I will play this. It happens that it rewards him.
Yes.
A lot of money is flooded onto that particular player. What happens after? Mismanagement of impilo yakhe himself. You know, that's where I'm headed with this. But now you find a lot of players, as we were talking about the development, a lot of players are coming from a structure, which means that they're taking football serious from a young age. That this is a career, I can make life out of this thing.
They are being grown. So they are being told about a lot of things.
Yes.
How to manage social media, how to live
Fame.
outside football, what do you do? So they are being taught. So if you like you raising Lerato Shaba, but those people who come from
Kanyes of
Junior
this world,
Kanyes,
Chabu Pules,
Chao Mahlangu, you know, those people, they didn't get to be that privileged. You would see there's someone behind me that's telling me this and this is wrong. This and this is not to be done.
Exactly.
I should be moving this way, you know, because you have talent. So talent alone without the proper development wouldn't get you far. So looking at our boys, they you can tell they are being groomed against the right. You know?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So for that reason, I think we are headed to even bigger heights when it comes to this thing of South African football.
Because if we have Bafana players and none of those players that we are worried about, hey, don't want to say I'm doing also behavior outside field. You know, we don't even get scared. But it's
true. Within the group, there's no infiltration.
A very good example for me.
No bad energy.
He showed us with if we are well groomed, this thing is doable. He's doing it. And I just hope he just keep that momentum and lose the focus. Whichever friends he had previously that were missing him out. We don't need them. Sipombule International Treasure. I'm happy,
True. Yeah, man. Otherwise, guys, ningakhohlwa. You subscribe, you like, you share the video. It goes a long way, man. This is the way of showing support to the channel.
Yeah.
What we're doing, what we try to come up with, it's all for you guys. It's to push the content for you so that you keep on receiving something new from the internet. I know football is something in South Africa. In fact, there are a lot of channels, but
Yeah.
what we pride ourselves on is the fact that we will always give you something that is unique from the rest. I thank you.
Certified Mswati Lumnanza.